In this video, I am going to explain why groupings are required for the companies in a Tally and how to group a companies, what are rules you need to follow to group a companies, and what are rules you need to follow before grouping the companies, and how to alter the company details in a Tally. First, we will know why groupings are required for the companies. See, if there is a many different companies belongs to the same management or owners are required to be combined all the group of companies to present the financial position of a company as a whole. What are rules you need to follow to combine the companies? First, you should have two or more companies to combine. It is not possible to combine only one company. So you should have two or more companies to combine. And if that all different companies are having different formal name, or else if that all different companies are having different currency symbol, then you can't able to combine the companies. All companies should have a same formal name and same currency symbols, then only you can able to combine the companies. Okay. Next one, here you can see, now I have opened only one company here. Okay. Now I have opened company info here, but you can you able to see this create a group company here? No, this option is not active now because now I have opened only one company here. So you need to open multiple companies in a list of selected companies list, then only this option will be active. Now one more company I will open here. Okay, now I will select a Rameshu company. So now I am going to combine these two companies. I am going to group these two companies here. So now you can see this company option is active now. Okay, now click on create group company to group the company and take enter here. And here you need to write the name, what name you wanted to give for the company as company, and here in a directory in which place, in which location you wanted to save this company data, that you need to select here. Now I will give ABC company. Okay, for the new company I am giving ABC, and here you need to select the address. Bangalore I will select. Okay, next whatever places are there, that name you can give. Next one, country you need to select, state. While creating whatever options, while creating company, whatever options you had got, the same options we can get here. That all options we need to fill here. Okay. Next one, email address, websites you need to write. And here, whenever I will take my cursor to the member of companies, here you can see these two are the member companies for ABC companies. So whatever companies we have opened here, that both companies we can see here. Now I will add the both companies here. Okay, take enter to accept the changes. Here you can see these two are my member companies. Okay, now I will close this company info. Press Alt F1 to close the company. And here you can see in this list of companies, ADC is getting star here. Means this company you need to consider this company as a group company. Wherever you will get a star after this ID, you need to think that company is a grouped company. Okay. Now I will close this. You can close. There will not be any. Okay. Now next option is what? Alter the company. Just take alter and take enter here. What is the main company here? ADC company is my main company. So take enter here. The same company details will be displayed. Here you can alter the company's details. After creating a group of companies, you need to remember you should not have to delete the member companies because it will affect on the group companies. Okay, If the member company has a password, then without entering the password, the group company cannot be opened here. Because if you are applying password for the member company, then how we can be able to open the group of companies, right? And next one is what, where the member companies have the same name of user and password, user is required to provide the login details only once. Means if you are giving username and password for same username and password for all the companies, and it is only required to enter password for main company.